Sports now, and the Toledo Rockets made school history last night, beating Bowling Green 101-75. The 26 points, the largest margin of victory in the 171-game series history. Falcons were well aware of just how good UT is offensively this season, but with the Rockets shooting an impressive 67% from the floor, including 12 straight made shots during an 8.5-minute stretch in the first half that saw the Rockets go from 5 down to 13 up. Not a whole lot the Falcons could do.
Nights like this, everything's falling, but we still have to hang our hats on defending and rebounding. So, every shot, every night, your shot's not going to fall. We're not going to make 12 shots in a row. So we just got to make sure we can do something else to keep us in games and create separation in games.
I don't know if you ever can use the word special in January. When you still have 10 conference games to play, but we're one game away from the halfway point, and we're sitting in a position where we're playing well, playing together, relatively healthy, and that's a good thing.
7-game win streak, that's cool. We still haven't done anything yet. We still have a lot of work to do. We're just going to keep getting better and better and better and better. So that's the plan. Starting with tomorrow. This was all fine and dandy. Enjoy it tonight, and we got to just be ready to come back and get a good lift in, or whatever needs to happen on Saturday or Sunday.
On the other side of the matchup, Falcons offensively didn't play poorly. They were close to their averages in both points and shooting percentage and were above their average from behind the arc. But the defense has been lacking. Over their last 3 games, all losses, BG is allowing over 92 points a contest.
It was pretty frustrating, just a couple of them we kind of buckled down, was in a position to get a stop, and they hit a lot of tough shots. So don't want to say it was frustrating, but it was, knowing we put all that effort in our defense and then they end up still scoring. They did that a lot.
The main thing is we got to keep moving forward. We can't, we have to look at this game so we see what we've done wrong and correct it, and we got to be able to use that in the next game going forward. It's always challenging with a young team. You lose confidence, so you try to keep their confidence up. And that's the main thing. We got to continue to work. We got to play extremely hard. Our defense triggers our offense. If we're not good defensively, most of the time we're not good offensively. So that's the lesson that we're learning and knowing when we play really good defense, we play really good offense.
Earlier, we talked about the men's version of the Battle of I-75. Well, the Rockets also won the women's basketball game on Saturday as Toledo senior guard J.Ann Bravo Harriet got a program record with 8 3-pointers, the 4th Rocket to do so, but first since 2002 as UT ended their 2-game losing streak. Now, a year ago, the Rockets lost 3 straight games in mid-January. They snapped that losing streak late in January and finished the year by winning 13 of 15 games, cutting down the nets as MAC champions and earning a trip to the NCAA tournament. Toledo, hoping they win at the Stro yesterday, can propel them to a similar finish to this season.
Well, again, there's not that many games left, but there's enough to where we could really improve a lot. And I think what we need to understand is we played great at times. I think it's a big step in the right direction today. And now we've got to build on this. But I think anytime you got some shots falling, you feel good about it again. You're kind of getting that good mojo going. Last year we captured some special magic toward the end of the season where everybody was clicking, and we got to get back to that. It's not easy, and there's ebbs and flows to every season. But I really hope this group gets some momentum from today's game.
After any loss, it's pretty tough. But Toledo, it's even worse, just because they're so close to home, and it's a big rivalry. So, coming up short is not the best feeling in the world, especially when you could have done stuff differently to have a different outcome. Coach just emphasizes when you get hit down, you just got to get back up off the mat. And I think that's something that we do pretty well as a group. We all encourage each other all the time, and we have great teammates to lean on, and especially when we get hit hard like today.